swarmed with many bugs, slow pages dragging you down, or your website looks perfectly fine but Google acts like it doesn't even exist. Trust me, I have been there. What changed the game for me? Learning React during my internship at Alki Digitals, that's where everything started to transform. Hi, I'm Shweta, a web developer at Alki Digitals. I started as a beginner in coding and I'm still learning every day, but I have come a very long way and I would love to share my journey with you. Like many beginners, I started with HTML, CSS, pages, button and animations. Then came JavaScript. Honestly, I thought I was doing pretty well. Until the real development challenge started, I realized beautiful UI does not mean functional web development. It's just the beginning. Then came React. Now, React may be based on JavaScript, but it demands a completely different mindset. It's a component-based library where you deal with states, props, and hook. And you suddenly realize maybe you did not know JavaScript as well as you thought. That hit me hard. But Alki Digital did not just throw me into the deep end. They guided me through it. Slowly, I built the foundation I needed and React started to make sense. As I started building more complex web apps, another challenge showed up: SEO. I built sleek, responsive, mobile-friendly site, but it did not show up on Google. That's where I learned that 90% of web app does not show in Google. And that's where Next.js entered the picture, a framework that was built on the top of React.js that supported server-side rendering and makes your site SEO-friendly along with fast loading time if optimized wisely. Learning with Alki Digital support helped me shift from just front-end design to real-world web development. Around this time, I also learned working with WordPress, and I loved the front-end part. Designing template, customizing theme, making content dynamic, it was fun. But when I stepped into the backend WordPress, the pressure was real. APIs, hook, filter, everything felt messy. But again, Alki Digital did not let me quit. They taught me to treat the pressure like practice. Bit by bit, backend became less intimidating and even interesting. What I admire about Alki is how they don't let you sit in your comfort zone. They pushed me to explore the backend, not just quick front-end design. They believe that true developer understands the full stack, from how the UI looks to how data flow behind the scene. Thanks to them, I did not just explore the backend with WordPress. I started learning Laravel too, and honestly, I am enjoying it. Alki showed me that backend is not just pressure, it's powering, the logic, the structure, the data handling. It's where real control lives. Before Alki, my code was messy. My logic did not hold up and feedback endless. But with time, patience, and the kind of mentorship only Alki could offer, I learned to break things down. They taught me to be a developer, not just someone who copies code. Now I debug smarter, document properly, and think about user experience from front to back. If you're ready to go beyond just writing a code and become actual developer who builds real, scalable, and SEO-friendly website, then Alki is where you want to be. It's more than an internship, it's a launch pad. Visit alkidigital.com and start your journey. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it.